Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a Facebook business page or any Facebook page. It's the same thing. So first, you're going to have to open Facebook and log in, then open the page that you wish to delete. Switch into manage mode just like this. Then come over to the left here and click on settings and then scroll down to access and control. Click on delete page and continue. If you want to, you can download your information from the page by clicking the section here. We're not going to, we're just going to click continue. Now enter the password that you used to log into your Facebook account. This here just tells you that you'll have 30 days to change your mind. So that's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next videos and tutorials.